21 life lessons everyone should learn early. 1. Without skills, your degree is just a piece of paper. A degree is important, but skills make you valuable. Learn practical abilities that help you solve real problems. 2. Nobody truly cares as much as you think. People are busy with their own lives. So stop worrying about others' opinions and focus on your own growth. 3. The more you give, the more you receive. Kindness, respect, and help often come back to you in unexpected ways. 4. If you don't focus on your goals, you delay your own success. Distractions waste time. Stay focused and move step by step toward your dreams. 5. First believe in yourself, then others will believe in you. Confidence starts from within. Trust your abilities before expecting support from others. 6. People influence you only for a short time, so be careful. Not every idea or advice is right for you. Think carefully before accepting others' opinions. 7. Taking risks is necessary, but don't be reckless. Growth needs courage, but smart decisions protect your future. 8. Invest in your health. Your body and mind are your greatest assets. Eat well, exercise, and rest properly. 9. Meditation helps calm your mind and release stress. It brings peace and helps you understand your thoughts better. 10. Don't be shy, or someone else will take your place. Opportunities don't wait. Speak up and take action. 11 expectations and assumptions often lead to disappointment. Instead of guessing, communicate clearly and stay realistic. 12. Be clear about what you truly want. A clear vision helps you make better decisions in life. 13. Understand who you are. Self-awareness helps you grow and choose the right path. 14. Be patient, especially when you are angry. Anger can create big problems. Pause, think, then act wisely. 15. Your tongue is powerful. Use it carefully. Words can heal or hurt. Speak with kindness and respect. 16. Build good friendships, but also meet new people. New connections expand your knowledge and improve your thinking. 17. Dream big and make a plan. Anything is possible when you combine dreams with action and discipline. 18. Be creative, learn new skills, like cooking or playing guitar. Creativity makes life more enjoyable and meaningful. 19. Don't judge quickly, observe more. Understanding others takes time. Be open-minded. 20. Happiness is a way of life. Enjoy small moments and appreciate what you have. 21. At a young age, understand this. Love can be a distraction. Focus on your goals first. The right time for everything will come. Life becomes easier when you understand these truths early. Take your time, grow slowly, and always keep learning. Thank you for watching Silver Narratives. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wisdom and life lessons.